You can see the beautiful paintings and art will go up on the top.
And see the beautiful lady driving on the beautiful road.
Good morning everyone. So I woke up and I'm ready. Now Urvish and his friend has gone to grab a coffee, and then we will leave for the Montreal again. We have planned to see the museum and also some other places which I forgot. So this is the morning view. See,
I always wanted to have like this much big backyard where everyone can sit together and gossip. There's a French door which I told you to show you in the morning. See? It's nice. It looks better in the daytime. In nighttime it was like scary house.
okay, let me tell you one thing about this stay. We booked this house through Airbnb and it was around $300 for 6 person. So it's worth like it's very affordable and cheap, I would say. It's 3 BHK, though it's away from the Montreal city, like one and a half hour drive from there, but it's cheaper, like for 6 person, $60 per person. So it's a very good deal. You can check out this stay on the Airbnb app.
Ready for depart for day 2. There you go. We have 2 cars, Chevrolet Equinox and Jeep Compass. Both are super beast. Wow! As you can see, it's already opened and we are ready to take this beauty. House seems to be nice. The weather looks okay. It's quite humid out there, so we might feel some hotness here. Achha. Such a beautiful thing. Just put some blocks of woods here and just chill. A nice table here to have breakfast with family, you know.
I know.
Not bad, not bad. And that is it. Yeah. And sometime we will just depart and let's hope for the best. So see the beautiful road and see the beautiful lady driving on the beautiful road.
Hi guys, so we finally reached here at Oratory and now we are finding the parking spot. Now we are going in the bus. This is the bus. We have boarded in the bus. Now we'll go up on the top. This is the biggest and huge church I have ever seen. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
This is a great place. It's a nice city view from here. Everyone is clicking pictures and videos here. Nice. So here comes the model, Mr. Shikhar Shah. Warm today.
Yeah. And we just did photo shoot. So
I'm gonna upload the photos and videos on Instagram.
yeah, check it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the Instagram and link in the description. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is not my mic. I'm just trying to pretend that this is a mic.
Yeah.
Okay, so we came back from the Oratory and now we are going for the museum. We are going to see the museum in downtown where we clicked the pictures yesterday. Then we'll head for the home.
You're going home?
Okay, so where are we going in the evening?
To Guju Factory comedy show.
Okay, yeah, so we are going for the Chirayu Factory comedy show in the evening at 7 o'clock. so I'll directly go there from here. Bye. Hi, so we are here at art gallery. You can see the beautiful paintings and art. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah.
Take care.
Have a great time.
The speed limit here is 70 km/h and see our speed. It's almost zero because of the traffic. So finally we are done visiting the museum. We just saw the one floor. Maybe we'll see the whole museum next time because we are getting late. Now we have to reach to Ottawa by 6:45. So we left early and we are also hungry, so we have to find some place to eat something. Maybe Tim Hortons would be fine. If you remember, it was raining too heavily yesterday and this was not visible yesterday. Now it's clearly visible. Finally we are here. Coming here for the first time. It's so big. So many good people are here.
पहले वो तो 25-30 जन